Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Google Analytics on WooCommerce. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and using Google Analytics to track and analyze your WooCommerce store's performance. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website's traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your WooCommerce store. To do this, go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Admin button and create a new property. Fill in the required information, including your website's name, URL, and industry category. Next, you need to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your WooCommerce store. You can do this by using a plugin such as Monster Insights or by manually adding the code to your website's header file. Once you have installed the tracking code, you need to set up e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics. To do this, go to the Admin section and click on E-commerce Settings. Enable e-commerce tracking and enter your WooCommerce store's URL. Now, let's talk about the key concepts in Google Analytics. The most important metrics to track are page views, unique visitors, bounce rate, and conversion rate. Page views refer to the number of times a page on your website is viewed. Unique visitors refer to the number of individual visitors to your website. Bounce rate refers to the percentage of visitors who leave your website without taking any further action. Conversion rate refers to the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase. To track these metrics in Google Analytics, go to the Reports section and click on the Overview report. This report provides a summary of your website's traffic and behavior. You can also use the e-commerce report to track your WooCommerce store's sales, revenue, and conversion rates. Best practices for using Google Analytics on WooCommerce include setting up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. You should also use segments to analyze specific groups of visitors, such as visitors from social media or visitors who have made a purchase. In conclusion, Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you understand and improve your WooCommerce store's performance. By setting up e-commerce tracking, tracking key metrics, and using best practices, you can gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and behavior, and make data-driven decisions to increase sales and revenue.